Hi, I'm Steve Root. This is Root's Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms. And in today's video, I'm going to test the noise level of extractors that are built into hobs. And at the end, I'm going to give you a way of comparing this one that you're about to hear with every other model from every other manufacturer, so you can do the rest of the comparison at home. Why am I doing this? Well, about 2 years ago, I did a video where I wanted to know if these extractors are effective at drawing the humidity off of the pans and down through them, because we all know steam rises. So to test it, I built a humidistat. I made my laptop do a real-time graph of the humidity as it was being used, so all of us that watched the video got to see how effective these extractors are. That video has been amazingly popular. Over 120,000 people have watched it, over 1,500 likes, lots of comments about how useful it's been, and I'm humbled and grateful that you've all enjoyed it and found it useful. Remember, Roots is a really small business. We specialise in the design, supply and installation of kitchens, bedrooms and bathrooms in East Kent. So if you live in East Kent and you like a room done well, then please come visit our showroom. And for the rest of you, and 120,000 people is more than live in the area that we work, then I'm hoping you're finding these videos useful, and if you do, please like and subscribe. What's brought this video out about noise is that the most popular comment on that last video was about how noisy the extractor is. And as Fat Tony put it, it sounds like a Harrier jump jet. He's not wrong. Go listen to the video and you'll see for yourself. But that video was about humidity. This video is now about testing noise. So how are we going to test it? Well, the equipment we've got today, the first is the hob, which is the new model, the Miele KMDA 7634FL. The camera that I'm using is the camera I've always used for these videos, which is now 9 years old, a Sony NEX VG20E, and it's using the microphone that's built in on top of it. I've treated myself for this video. I've bought myself a lapelier tie mic, so the sound quality may well be better. And I'm going to label the video as you go through so you can see which microphone is being used. And to record the sound on this, I've plugged it into the GoPro you see here. So there's been no tricks or editing with this video. This is one take all the way through. You'll notice there have been no cuts. So I'm going to turn the pan on, get it up to boiling, and then we'll all listen and see how it sounds. I'll fast forward this bit till we see some steam. Wow, this is really quiet. Is that amazing? No, of course it's not. I've just been messing around with the sound level when I've edited it. What I'd like to get across to everybody watching this video is please don't use YouTube videos to compare the noise level of extractors. If you want to compare noise levels of extractors when you're designing and planning your room, the way we do it is we go and look up the EU product fiche for that product. So in the EU, every product has to have a set of performance tests carried out and the results are published. And every manufacturer lists them on their website, so they're very easy to find. So for example, this particular Miele extractor at its normal maximum setting, 490 cubic meters per hour. It does actually do 570 cubic meters per hour on its intensive setting, but for most uses, for comparisons, the maximum setting is all you need, 490 cubic meters per hour, and the sound level in the test environment, 69 decibels. So we can compare that to the NEF model that we also sell, the T58TL6EN2, the new N90 model that they've just brought out. That runs at 500 cubic meters per hour and also 69 decibels, so very, very comparable. And if you're looking for a third example, we did a kitchen recently in Black and Brass. It's an amazing room and there's a video of it, and I'd love you to go watch that and like that video because I'm really proud of it. The model we chose for that kitchen is the Bora X Pure because it was all black. Performance-wise, that model, the Bora X Pure, is 548 cubic meters per hour, so slightly more powerful than these, and 65.8 decibels, so quieter as well. Different design, slightly better. If you're looking to compare hobs for your room, you can use the EU product fiche to do that more effectively than you can listening to YouTube videos. And remember, you're not just looking at noise levels, you're often looking at how they fit, how they install, how you access carbon filters and all those other things that go with it. If you're struggling to find the technical data sheet, one trick I use, put the model number into Google along with the short phrase 65/2014. That's the EU regulation that they all mention on their product data sheets, and you can often find them straight away using that. So I hope that video was really useful and that it's helped you find ways of comparing hobs for your own home. If you did find it useful and you liked it, please click like, please subscribe. It does help my tiny small business. And if you've got any questions or any comments, please leave them below. I do still try and answer them all. I'm Steve Roots. This is Roots Kitchens, Bedrooms, Bathrooms.